Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to share with you it is about class 3 SST Social Studies notes. Actually these notes I'm preparing for my son who is studying in class 3. So I thought of sharing with you all. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Somna Kids World. So let's start. The first one, what? It is about keywords. Like, what are the keywords? Keywords means those words which are difficult in reading or writing. So first we used to write the keywords like this so that kid will understand and read and learn these keywords. So the first keyword is landform. Mountain, peak, Mount Everest, mountain range, hill, valley, plains, plateau, highland, desert, peninsula, ocean, seas, rivers, streams, course, source, tributaries, mouth, gulf, bay, strait, lakes, waterfalls. So here total I have written 25 keywords. You can go through this word and you can make practice so that when the kid will write the question answer, it will help them to write the answers easily. So the next one is write short answers. So here what, like we can say short answers, or also we can say define the following. So whatever you can write. So here I have written the question like write short answers. The first one is mountain range. What is mountain range? When a series of mountains are lined together, they form a mountain range. So this is the definition of mountain range. Next one is what is valley? Valley refers to the low-lying area between the mountains or hills. So this is what we call valley. Next one is lake. What do you call lake? The water body which is surrounded by land on all sides is called lake. Next is peninsula. What do you call peninsula? The land which is surrounded by water from three sides is called a peninsula. So this is what it is all about. Short answers or define the following. Next one is what is a desert? A desert is a large area of dry land which receives scanty rainfall. It can be hot or cold. So this is what we call desert. Next one is how many oceans are there in the world? Name them. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic or Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Next question is why do people visit hill stations during summer? People visit hill stations during summer because of its pleasant climatic conditions. The next question is distinguish between saltwater lake, freshwater lake. What is saltwater lake and what is freshwater lake? So this side about saltwater lake. A saltwater lake contains water that is salty. Example, Sambal Lake in India. Next one is freshwater lake. So what is freshwater lake? A freshwater lake contains water that is not salty. Example, Lake Superior in North America. Next, distinguish between plateaus and plains. So, what is plateau? Plateaus are rocky highlands with flat top. It looks like tabletop. Example of plateaus are used for grazing cattle. Example, Malwa plateaus. Next, this side plains. Plains are flat level lands. Plains are fertile lands that can be used for cultivation. Example, Gangetic plains. Next one is describe the journey of a river. We have to describe here. This is a bit long question answer. So here we have to describe the journey of a river. A river begins its journey from a hill or a mountains. The snow on the mountains or a hills to form small streams. Third point, these small streams join to form a river. Fourth, many such rivers join the main river in the plains known as tributaries. Fifth, after their long journey, the rivers flow into a bigger water body like a sea or an ocean, where the river ends its journey. So, this is all about notes for class 3. So, this is a notes. So, this is all about notes for class 3. It is about lesson major landforms. So, you can go to this video again and you can find how I made it notes that is going to help for class 3 student. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.